Hi, welcome to the Dream KiCad tutorial. This course is designed for absolute beginners seeking professional, clear, free guidance on the PCB design, especially with KiCad. By the end of this course, you will design a complete PCB ready for manufacturing. Our target board is a simple, practical project. It's a small device that can be connected to the USB Type-C cable to turn the light. Along the way, you will learn how to design symbols and footprints, designing the schematic, routing the PCB layout. So you will pick up all the essential skills in KiCad to be fully autonomous, so you can start working on your personal projects. And of course, by the end of this course, we will generate Gerber files and order the PCB together. Learning PCB is crucial. While my background is in embedded engineering, I teach PCB design because a good embedded engineer must understand schematic and the PCB layout to be good, to be effective in debugging, because most software bugs have hardware roots. Also, for people who want to become hardware engineers, it's a great resource to learn PCB in concise and clear way. Designing PCBs is extremely rewarding. There's immense satisfaction when creating your custom hardware and seeing your design come to life. Nowadays, PCB is one of the last islands that AI hasn't yet invaded. So we as humans have to do most of the job in the PCB design. So if you're tired of AI hype, maybe it's a perfect point to start learning the PCB. We will of course be using KiCad, a professional open source PCB designing tool with no limits, making it perfect for learning and for working on personal and professional projects. And as I said, we will design USB Type-C device, so we will design symbols and footprints to LED drivers, the USB connector, and we will do schematic, PCB routing, everything. So I don't want to talk too much right now, so I'm pretty sure you got the idea. So next, let's jump right into the PCB design. First thing, we will create a new project in KiCad.